Hello guys, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Um, I'm Josh, and yeah, this is another video on Photoshop composition, and this won't take so much of the time. It's a very simple design that, if you do it properly, it won't take you more than 40 minutes to complete. So we'll begin shortly. First, I want to thank you guys so much for the support, for checking my videos, and for those of you that stuck around, thank you so much. It's a really small channel, a small family, YouTube family, but you guys are cool. The little views I get, it means a lot to me. So, and I hope you guys learn a lot, because I know I'm not perfect, but we'll get to that. So let's begin. I tried to cut out the hand from the cone, and to do that I had to mark it out, and mark it out and try to mark out the whole ice cream. Then
Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders.
Then selected the layer. Then use my phone stamp tool. Try to remove the finger from the cone. To do this, you have to click Alt on any of the patterns. So you will try to clone the pattern, and use the tool to paint out wherever you want to cover up. Then I added some shadows to the cone. This isn't really necessary because of the design I want to do. The cone wasn't really needed, but I just had to add some shadows to the cone. And I selected out the ice cream, make it in a different layer, then I grouped them together.
Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders.
Now I added the water picture. The water picture, I got it from the store, I think on spice.com. Then I reduced the opacity a little bit and tried to blend them together.
You'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon.
Now I tried to select the fish I wanted to use. I think I got this from a PNG website, can't really remember. So the fish, and randomly selected some of the fish in this picture again.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon.
So yeah, I tried to blend the fish well, blend them well, and I added the water reflection picture I got from a random website. So yeah, try to blend them together.
Don't last it long. I'm losing my faith. I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one
A
thing.
little bit of highlights wasn't that noticeable, but
Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
now you see the shadows. Shadows are trying to look a little like obvious now. Added more shadows.
Dancing on the moon.
Adding water bubbles, a brush, and download this brush from there are websites that give out this brush for free, so you can download them. So
Feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my
camera rock is that and some other things. Well, not to bore you, but I'll show you the finished result soon.
Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last that long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave,
And voila.
if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own.